Central Florida Magic, theme parks and cruises for seniors. Let me ask you something. Do you think theme parks are just for kids, grandkids? If so, stick around. I'm about to turn that idea upside down like a roller coaster at Magic Kingdom. I'm a 70-year-old, self-professed kid at heart. I'll show you how Central Florida can be a dream destination for seniors, especially when you combine the thrill of Orlando's theme parks with the relaxation of a cruise from Port Canaveral. Why should kids have all the fun? Let's start with the obvious. Yes, you can enjoy Disney World, Universal Studios, and SeaWorld, even in your golden years. In fact, you might enjoy them more now than when you were younger. You have time to savor it. No need to sprint from ride to ride. You can appreciate the gardens at Epcot, live shows, and parades at your own pace. Modern parks are senior friendly, from rentable scooters to quiet resting areas and AC-cooled attractions. Parks welcome guests of all ages. Disney particularly excels in accessibility. Childlike wonder is ageless, trust me. Sing Cinderella Castle or a dolphin leap at SeaWorld makes you feel young again. The Central Florida combo. Parks and cruise equal a perfect balance. The secret sauce. After the theme park excitement, unwind on a cruise from Port Canaveral, just an hour away. Imagine energetic fun, then relaxation at sea. Port Canaveral is the #2 busiest cruise port worldwide. Facilities are excellent and convenient from Orlando. Many cruise lines offer shuttles directly from parks to the port. Disney Cruise Line offers seamless land and sea packages. Spend 3 days at the park and 4 days cruising to the Bahamas on board a Disney ship. Other options include Royal Caribbean's mega ships, Carnival's fun ships, and Norwegian Cruise Lines. They all sail from Canaveral. After navigating theme park crowds, reclining on your balcony at sunset is heavenly. Navigating the park as a senior. Let's dive into Orlando's big three: Walt Disney World, Universal, and SeaWorld. Each offers unique experiences suitable for seniors. Walt Disney World, which is magic at any age. Disney World's vast resort includes Magic Kingdom, Epcot, Hollywood Studios, and Animal Kingdom. Here's how to tackle Disney. Epcot. Ideal for seniors, flat, easy walking, and focused on culture, food, and shows. Tour 11 countries in the World Showcase or enjoy international cuisine at festivals like Food and Wine. Entertainment. Catch Broadway caliber shows like Festival of the Lion King. Fireworks and nighttime spectaculars are also highlights. Insider tip. Watch Magic Kingdom fireworks from the resort beaches to avoid crowds. Mobility and comfort. Rent an electric conveyance vehicle if walking all day is challenging. Plenty of shade rest areas and first aid station makes visits comfortable. Visit in off-peak seasons like late January, early February, or early November for fewer crowds and milder weather. Universal Studios, Island of Adventure, and the brand new Epic Universe.
Right, travelers, Max here with a quick contest that could seriously upgrade your next trip. Guess our mystery destination correctly and you'll win a stylish leather passport wallet courtesy of Ken and yours truly. Fumbling around airports is annoying, and this sleek, compact wallet keeps your passport, cards and tickets right at your fingertips. Here's a hint. This iconic city is the heart of romance, home to world-class art, over 30 picturesque bridges, endless charming cafes, and Europe's own Disney castle. Sound familiar? Hurry to travelbyken.com, enter your guess. Plus, you might also snag a copy of our fabulous Where To Next magazine, packed full of exclusive deals you won't find anywhere else. Join the ranks of recent winners like Angela, Jeff, Stephen, and Judy. Cheers, Ken. Back to the journey.
Thanks, Max. General rides like E.T. Adventure, Yoshi and Nintendo World, and Spider-Man at Marvel's Superhero Island offer excitement without fear. The Express Pass. Skip the regular lines with the Universal Express Passes. They reduce standing time significantly, ideal for seniors. SeaWorld and easygoing enjoyment. SeaWorld offers a relaxed pace focusing on marine life and shows. Why SeaWorld? Enjoy dolphin, sea lion, and orca shows in shaded stadiums. Aquariums, flamingo paddle boats, and beautiful landscape enhance the experience. During Christmas, SeaWorld's festive displays are delightful and less crowded. Calmer attractions, Kennedy Space Center near Port Canaveral, the botanical gardens like Buck Tower and scenic boat tours in Winter Park offer quieter alternatives to the parks. Smart scheduling. Avoiding burnout. Balance is key. Time of year matters. Choose shoulder seasons, early November, early December, late January, or late April for pleasant weather and fewer crowds. Parks before cruise. Visit parks first to expend your energy, then relax on a cruise afterward. Ending with a relaxation ensures a refreshed return. Planned rest days. Include easy days between park visits. Spend time at the hotel pool, the spa, or Disney Spring shopping area. Half-day visits are all perfectly fine and will fit into your lifestyle. Stay on site. Disney Resort Hotel offers free transportation and convenient breaks. Stay near Port Canaveral pre-cruise for easy boarding. Tea and scones at the UK Pavilion are indeed delightful. All aboard at Port Canaveral's cruise time. After parks, shift into the relaxation mode at Port Canaveral. Getting there, a straightforward 60-minute drive from Orlando. Shuttles and rideshare options abound, making access easy and convenient. Cruise choices. Popular 3 or 4-night Bahamas cruises often stop at Nassau and private islands like Disney's Castaway Cay. Private islands provide safe, comfortable beach days. Longer cruises. 7-night Eastern or Western Caribbean visits go to mostly islands like St. Thomas, San Juan, or St. Martin. Perfect for extended relaxation. Senior friendly. Cruises are inherently senior friendly. Elevators, accessible cabins, attentive crew, and no daily unpacking mean effortless enjoyment. Best visiting time. Off-peak seasons like autumn, winter, or early spring offer mild weather, lower costs, and manageable crowds. By early February, visits are wonderfully calm compared to hot July crowds. Senior perks. Utilize AARP hotel rates, restaurant early bird specials, and handicapped parking privileges. Ask park staff for assistance freely. They are eager to help. Imagine yourself enjoying Disney magic and cruise luxury. It may be the best trip ever. Central Florida offers nostalgic thrills and restful luxury. Intrigued? Call me, 689-229-9724. Let's customize your dream Orlando cruise vacation. Remember, age is just a number. Theme parks invigorate, cruises pamper. You've earned this adventure, and I'd love to help you bring magic and relaxation into your life. So when you gotta get away, give me a call. And until next time, keep dreaming big and traveling smart. Adventure awaits, even for us old kids. Bon voyage.